If you want to move into AI and machine learning, the first question is simple. What exactly should you learn, and in what order? In this video, we'll walk through the curriculum of the PG program in AI and machine learning, so you understand how the program takes you from Python basics to machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, agentic AI, and real-world AI projects. This is a 12-month online PG program in AI and machine learning from UT Austin, designed for data analysts, software engineers, business analysts, product managers, IT professionals, and managers seeking structured AI and ML training for AI-focused roles. The program offers a structured learning approach that includes learning from experts and learning by doing with hands-on projects and case studies. At the end, get dual certificates from McCombs School of Business at the University of Texas at Austin and Great Lakes Executive Learning and CEUs. The main goal is simple: help learners understand AI concepts and apply them to business problems. This program is useful for professionals who want to move into AI, machine learning, data science, Gen AI, or AI consulting roles. It is also useful for people already working with data, technology, analytics, product, or business teams who want to apply AI at work. This is not only a coding program. It starts with the foundations and then builds toward practical AI applications. The first part focuses on Python foundations. Learners study Python programming, Google Colab setup, variables, data types, lists, dictionaries, conditional statements, loops, and functions. After that, the curriculum moves into NumPy and Pandas. These help learners work with datasets, clean data, and prepare it for analysis. Learners also study exploratory data analysis, where they identify patterns, missing values, outliers, charts, and business insights from data. Once the foundation is clear, the program moves into machine learning. Learners study how machines identify patterns from data and make predictions. This includes linear regression for prediction, decision trees for classification and regression, and k-means clustering for grouping similar data points. The focus is not only on algorithms. Learners also understand where these methods fit in real business problems. The next stage is advanced machine learning. This part covers ensemble techniques such as random forest, AdaBoost, gradient boosting, XGBoost, and model tuning. In simple terms, learners study how to improve model performance and build models that work better on real datasets. They also study model evaluation, feature engineering, and optimization. After machine learning, the program moves into advanced AI areas. Learners study neural networks and deep learning, which form the base for many modern AI systems. They also study natural language processing, which helps machines work with text, language, chatbots, and search systems. Computer vision is also covered, where AI learns to understand images and visual data. The updated curriculum also includes generative AI, large language models, prompt engineering, RAG, Hugging Face, and agentic AI systems. This is important because today's AI work is moving beyond basic prediction. Learners also study fine-tuning methods like LoRA, QLoRA, and PEFT, along with multi-agent systems, human-in-the-loop workflows, LLM ops, AI security, and governance. The program includes hands-on projects across business domains. Examples include food hub order analysis, personal loan campaign prediction, medical assistant, AI-powered EHR assistant, and credit card churn prediction. These projects help learners apply Python, EDA, machine learning, deep learning, RAG, LangChain, Docker, Flask, and model deployment concepts to practical problems. The program prepares learners for roles such as machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI consultant, NLP engineer, Gen AI developer, AI product manager, and business intelligence developer. It is built for people who want to work with AI models, business data, Gen AI systems, and AI-driven decision-making. So, this curriculum starts with Python and data analysis, then moves into machine learning, advanced ML, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, agentic AI, and real-world projects. If you want a structured way to build AI and ML skills with mentorship and hands-on work, this program gives you a clear progression from basics to applied AI.